Hey guys, it's KB here, and today we have another unboxing video. This is a ML01 LED monitor lamp from ABKO. Now, I did get this off of Amazon. It was around $24 when I purchased it. There was a 5% little rebate going on there. So let's go ahead and get this open. So this is everything that was inside the box. We have the actual product here, and we have the power cable here, and an instruction manual, which we won't need, and a little warranty card there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the product. Now this is supposed to sit on top of your computer monitor. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that in a bit. So this is the underside of it, and this is how it adjusts and stick to the top of your monitor. Now it does have springs, and there is tension, so you do that. Actually, like this. We like this. Place on top of your monitor and let go. Pretty simple enough. And of course, this one goes right there. So let's go ahead, get everything situated, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like on top of your TV or monitor. In this case, I am using an old TV as my monitor. So let's go ahead and see how that sits here. It does fit pretty snug. Doesn't look like there's any chance for it to fall. Let's go try the wiggle test. It's pretty sturdy on there. So that is a plus there. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the brightness settings here next. Alright, so here we are going to test the brightness settings or the different light settings here. Now let's go ahead and, so we have the standard white. Now this one is the amber or room light. And this one is a mix of both the amber and the white light. So it only has these three light modes here, and they are non-adjustable, so you can't adjust the brightness setting there. It is just one brightness setting all around the board. Now it does have a timer option. Now the timer option states that it has a 40-minute timer, so if you go ahead and turn that on, your light will stay on for 40 minutes and automatically turn off by itself. And guys, this is what this looks like in a dark room setting here. Now, it's just the monitor and the light that's on. I did turn off the extra light here in the room. So let's go ahead and test out the different light colors. I believe this one is the mix of the amber and white. This one is the white light. And this one should be the amber one. Yep. So everyone, that pretty much wraps up my unboxing and review of the ABKO ML01 LED monitor lamp. Now for this price, I would say this is a good deal and a good buy. I did look around on eBay and as well as Amazon. The going price for many of these monitor lamps are around $30 to $40 to even $50. Now, like I said, I do like this because it adds that extra light to your monitor. So if you're ever, in a dark room or you don't have light that you can position, ideally for you, this goes on top of your monitor and helps you basically see what you're doing in low light settings or in the dark. I do like the three settings here, the bright white, the amber, and the mix of amber and bright white. One of the negatives that I could, foresee with this product is that it does not have the option to adjust the brightness setting for each of the three light choices. Now, I have not tested this on extended use, but as somebody who is almost constantly on the computer, for work or playing games, sometimes well into the night as well. I can foresee my eyes getting a little bit strained, um, just seeing the same light, for a couple hours. If they did have a option where you could increase or decrease the brightness, that would have been a really good choice there. Another potential negative I can see with this product is that because it is spring operated, the amount of time it spends on top of your monitor engaged could wear down the spring significantly. So I would advise, if you're going to use or a type like this that has a spring, to take it off when you're not using it to preserve the life of the spring inside. But then again, it does come with a warranty, so if the spring does malfunction or any reason, you do have that as well. Alright guys, so that's it for my review and unboxing of the ABKO LED monitor light. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, just so I know that I'm doing a good job and that you like the stuff that I'm putting out. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time.